Mr. Yomi ó máa ń sọ wípé òun fún yín ní nọ́mbà kan pọ́n sẹ́ndì nọ́mbà ẹnìkan sí yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ CCTV. Mo fẹ́ kẹ̀kàn answer lórí yes or no. Ṣé lóòótọ́ ni Mr. Yomi sẹ́ndì nọ́mbà ẹnìkan sí yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ CCTV? Emperor Joseph Aloba ṣe ń gbọ́ mi. Hello sir. Ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀rọ sọ. Hello sir.
Hello sir.
Ẹ gbọ́ ẹ̀rọ sọ sir. Hello sir. Can you hear me please?
Answer yìí máa gùn díẹ̀.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, I can hear you. Mungo.
Answer yẹn ó máa gùn díẹ̀.
All right.
Nígbà tí wọ́n pè mí, let me explain myself in Yoruba so that they will interpret you. Wọ́n pè mí pé àwọn ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ o. Wípé àwọn máa fún mi ní àwọn nọ́mbà kan tí máa pè. The first number tí wọ́n fún mi ní nọ́mbà wọ́n ní ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá ni pé kí n pè é kí n introduce ara mi. Yẹ́mi ní bàbá Mohbad wọ́n máa welcome mi. Nọ́mbà ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá nìkan ló fún mi pé tí bá ti pe ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá yẹn á kọ̀ recognize mi á dẹ̀ invite mi á dẹ̀ gba ọ̀rọ̀ mi rò. But bó ṣe send nọ́mbà yẹn ó sound somehow létí mi. Èmi ò bọ́ ọlọ́pàá sọ̀rọ̀, ìwọ lọ send nọ́mbà ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá sí mi. How am I know bóyá ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá fẹ́ rí mi? Mi ò lè pe ọlọ́pàá bẹ́ẹ̀ kí wọ́n introduce ara mi. Èmi ni bàbá Mohbad. Ìwọ tó lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá ò pè mí kó sympathize pẹ̀lú mi àbí kó pè mí kó sọ pé dádì mo fẹ́ rí yín. Ìwọ ló máa dúkìá pé ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá. Is that making sense? Pé ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá, that is the only number tó fún mi. Ó dẹ̀ ń sọ nígbà tó ń lọ pé òun ti set up o ibi tí òun ti rí CCTV camera ń sìn bó ṣe ń lọ bó ṣe ń bọ̀ pé àwọn kí n yan àwọn tó máa lọ síbẹ̀ má dẹ̀ pé legal team wa ẹ fún wa ní nọ́mbà ẹni tá a fẹ́ lọ bá so that tá a bá dé àdúgbò ń bẹ̀ ẹ lọ àwa lẹ́nu géètì o ẹ ṣí géètì fún wa because estate là ń lọ nọ́mbà ẹni yẹn wọ́n present ẹ̀ wọ́n ní tí wọ́n bá ti délé Mohbad ilé tó next is it left or right? Gbogbo direction tí wọ́n fún wa is very very wrong. Tó bá ti báyọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ at least the easier way is to communicate with that person pé hello ẹjọ́ a ti ń bọ̀ ẹjọ́ a wà lẹ́nu ọ̀nà. So má kàn dé ẹnu géètì ń sìn àkọ́kọ́ géètì pé látọ̀dọ̀ Yomi. Who is Yomi?
God bless you.
Gbogbo direction tó wá is capital no.
Thank you so much, sir. Ẹ ṣé gan sir.
For make sense.
Ẹ ṣé sir. Ẹ ṣé sir.
For what?
Ẹ ṣé sir. Ẹ ṣé sir.
God bless you, sir.
Ẹ ṣé sir.
And now going forward,
yes, ẹ ṣé sir.
Emperor Joseph Aloba, just like I said, God has vindicated you. Your greatest enemies, God has put them under your feet. The only sin you have committed is because you have refused to join Wumi and Libanjo to evade justice of killing your son, also known as Mohbad. That is the greatest sin you have committed against Wumi, and that is why she cannot find any place in her heart to forgive you. She wanted to be seen as a celebrity, but you have portrayed her as a contrary personality, and she's not happy. She wants you to keep quiet like Iya Mohbad, but you have refused to keep quiet, and that is why Toto Dike and Iya Bojo said pé adebe baba kó má sọ̀rọ̀, adebe kó má sọ̀rọ̀. So they want to kill your son, and then they want you to prostrate for them and tell them thank you. That is the sin you have committed, Baba. No. Ṣe nìkankan. Wọ́n ní pé ẹni tó bá ń bẹ Ọlọ́run kò kì í bẹ̀yàn, Baba. Ẹ ti bẹ Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run ti gbé àwọn ènìyàn dìde láti gbèjà yín jà. Ẹ lọ́mọ ogun lẹ́yìn ni. mo sọ mo ní kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì torí Mohbad níjọ́ Monday ọ̀rẹ́ Mohbad ó sọ fún wọn ló sọ pé ó yẹ kún àti ó sọ fún Mohbad pé ó yẹ kún àtẹjọ ṣe rẹ́kọ̀dì níjọ́ Monday ni pé Mohbad ò pick call. So on Monday Mohbad did not participate in any feasible activities nítorí ó ti kú wọ́n ti pa ní Monday yẹn. Dàrúsà sọ pé òun pé Mohbad ti ganjọ Monday ó ní kò gbé call nítorí ó ti kú òkú ò kì í ṣe activity níjọ́ Monday. So their narrative is quite different. Nobody saw Mohbad on Monday. He did not do anything on Monday. And then Mohbad did not die as a result of poison alone. Mohbad died as a result of traumatic injury. He bloody duvet. And I'm telling you, there's no man alive tó lè lo 3 hours láti bleed láti Ìkòròdú dé Lekki that will not die. So anything that resulted in the bleeding profusely happened in that house between Wumi and Mohbad. We all saw Mohbad on the stretcher with a plaster behind his head. Ibi tó ti fi gbálẹ̀ nìyẹn. And let me tell you, Baba, if any autopsy and toxicology is coming, and that autopsy and toxicology is not showing any sign of cerebral necrosis, cerebral ischemia, people forí gbálẹ̀ irọ́ ní autopsy yẹn irọ́ ní autopsy yẹn. Trauma ló pa Mohbad, Wumi òun ló pa Mohbad, àwọn gómìnà Lagos State wọ́n mọ̀ pé òun ló pa Mohbad, àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n mọ̀ pé òun ló pa Mohbad. Ẹ gbọ́ wọ́n ní gbígbà kan wà táwọn ọlọ́pàá sọ pé their hands are tight, pé ọwọ́ wọn tight ni ò jẹ́ káwọn ṣe investigate ẹ̀ pé wọn ò jẹ́ káwọn scrutinize Wumi dáadáa. So àwọn gẹ́gẹ́ fúnra wọn mọ̀ pé Wumi ló pa Mohbad. Wọ́n mọ̀ kò ń ti pé yìnbọn yá máa fẹnu bò ó. Wumi ló pa Mohbad o.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Then
much.
God
Avengers.
will punish her.
Ladies and gentlemen, I will be playing the voice note. Remember, I asked Baba a question the other time that how many times has she been Mohbad's partner? How many times has she called? Has Baba received a call from her? Baba said the only time she put a call through to him was he was on the mountain praying that time, and he said thank God that he was able to capture the voice. And I will go ahead and play the voice note, the voice recording of when she called, the only time she called Baba. I'm playing the voice note now in front of about 2,600 people. Here is the voice note.
Hello.
Yeah.
Baba.
Yes,
Kí àlọ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Kí kò bá pa ìyá mi máa sọ ní burúkú ni. Kí kò bá pa yín bàbá. Kí kò bá pa ìyá mi. Ẹ̀rọ sórí burúkú ni. Tẹ́tí tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ nígbà ìṣẹ̀kọ́ mi. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ mi. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ mi. Ní kú rẹ̀. Bàbá tí ọmọbìnrin tí ẹni náà. Wọ́n sọ fún yín. Wọ́n mú ìyá tuntun ìgbà yìí. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ mi. Ẹ̀fẹ́ ọmọ mi bá ọkọ mi àbí. Ẹ̀fẹ́ ọmọ mi bá ọkọ mi. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ẹni náà.
So once again, for the sake of those who do not, who were unable to hear very well, probably because of your speaker, I'm gonna go ahead to play the voice note of the only time she called Baba. Contrary to the narrative that was on the podcast, this is the only time that she called Baba.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Baba.
Yes,
Kí àlọ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Kí kò bá pa ìyá mi máa sọ ní burúkú ni. Kí kò bá pa yín bàbá. Kí kò bá pa ìyá mi. Ẹ̀rọ sórí burúkú ni. Tẹ́tí tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ nígbà ìṣẹ̀kọ́ mi. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ mi. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ mi. Ní kú rẹ̀. Bàbá tí ọmọbìnrin tí ẹni náà. Wọ́n sọ fún yín. Wọ́n mú ìyá tuntun ìgbà yìí. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ mi. Ẹ̀fẹ́ ọmọ mi bá ọkọ mi àbí. Ẹ̀fẹ́ ọmọ mi bá ọkọ mi. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ẹni náà.
Okay, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. To Mr. Hold on, Emma Bunisa. I hope Mr. Chudi is listening, and I hope the TVC are listening. Thank you so much, Mr. Miwa. Let's have you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, that voice record was recorded in December. I will not give you the exact dates that voice was recorded, and then I will not give out the time, because that voice is an evidence in the court of law. Ibi tí bàbá wà ní ọjọ́ yẹn time yẹn ọjọ́ yẹn tó bá dé tabade court ó ti allege gbẹ́ngbẹ́ yẹn pé bàbá ló pọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ ó ń bọ̀ wá sí court nígbà tí trial bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ bóyá bàbá wà nílé pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ nígbà tí Mohbad kú àwa sọ èmi sọ nǹkan tí Mohbad sọ sẹ́ pé o ò ní nísinmi Cynthia o ò lè nísinmi láyé until tó bá sọ nǹkan tó pa ọkọ ẹ̀ ó sọ pé ìwọ fúnra rẹ̀ ló sọ nínú Instagram ẹ̀ nínú handle ẹ̀ ó ní o mọ nǹkan ó ní you know a lot pé but they will not want you to talk àgbẹ̀ press release jáde ńgbà yẹn come protect yẹn ìdí lọ́ọ̀ tó mọ yẹn wá sọ́ńtà tó bá di trial wà wá sọ and then ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún sọ eléyìí ṣé rí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bú àwọn court ẹ má bú court ẹjọ́ tó ń gbé wá sórí sí ọ̀dọ̀ adájọ́ ni adájọ́ máa dá tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n gbé àdúrà lọ sọ́dọ̀ adájọ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n gbé Wùmí náà lọ sọ́dọ̀ adájọ́ á sọ pé kí Wùmí àti àdúrà náà kó wà part of àwọn tó fẹ́ ṣe kíni tó máa ṣe trial fún but àwọn Sam Larry Naira Marley spending nurse.
English sir.
Okay, sorry. Now, what I'm saying is that please, I want everybody not to curse or abuse the judge or the court, because the reason is that Wumi and Adura were not part of the case in that magistrate court that were decided today. Sam Larry, Naira Marley, Prime Boy, Adura, Spending, and Nance were the people that were charged into that court. And then you could see the way the judge pointed out. He said, Naira Marley, you are free. Sam Larry, you are free. Prime Boy, you are free. Because those three, they were not in the house when Mohbad died. They were not living with Mohbad. So if Wumi has been part of that case, if Adura has been part of that case, their name will have been included on the people they should put into trial. That is why our focus is on this inquest. The inquest is to unravel what killed Mohbad. Wumi is number one prospect. Is in the house. Adura is in the house. Spendy is in the house. So the DPP that they did what they did, fine, all well and good. In the case of Corona inquest, everybody that is in the house must be charged to court. That is our stand. You will come and tell the whole world when you were advised to take that body to mortuary. Why did you take it back home if you don't have interior motive?
Thank you so much.
You will come and tell the whole world when Baba spent 3 hours in the police station looking for to get police. Why don't you give your father-in-law the letter they gave you so that boy is going to be kept in the mortuary? You have your interior motive. You plan it. You plan it.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much, Mr. Muiwa. Once again, before we call on Mommy Ibiroke, let's listen to the voice notes once again. Also, in the voice note, she was accusing Baba that Baba should not kill our son the same way Baba killed his own son, which is Mohbad. She was alleging that it was Baba that killed Mohbad. So let me go ahead and play the voice note once again.
Hello.
Yeah.
Baba. Kí àlọ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Kí kò bá pa ìyá mi máa tó bí burúkú ni. Kí kò bá pa yín bàbá. Kí kò bá pa ìyá mi. Ẹ̀rọ tó bí burúkú ni. Tẹ́tí ní ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ ni wọ́n ṣe pa mí. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ ni. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ ni. Ẹ̀ ní kú rẹ̀. Bàbá tí ọmọbìnrin tẹ́lẹ̀ yàm. Wọ́n sọ fún yín. Wọ́n mú ìyá tuntun jọ ni. Tí ọmọbìnrin tí ọmọ ni. Ẹ̀fẹ́ ọmọ mi bá ọkọ mi àbí. Ẹ̀fẹ́ ọmọ mi bá ọkọ mi. Tí ọmọbìnrin tẹ́lẹ̀ yàm.
So that was the only time in the record, according to what Baba said, that the only time in the record that she, that is Mohbad's partner, put a call through to him, contrary to the narrative that she put out there. Mommy Bironke, let's have you, ma. Mommy Bironke, thank you so
And
much.
then before Mommy Bironke, sorry, to also tell the whole world that Cynthia Wumi, you have already told somebody in between you and your conversation with one man, when he's asking you who is the owner of this boy, ẹni only o jẹ́wọ́ fóun, only but ẹnu ọkọ náà ti máa gbọ́. The record is there. If you also want us to play it, the man asks you who is the owner of this boy, only Wumi ti jẹ́wọ́, only ṣùgbọ́n ẹnu ọkọ náà ti máa gbọ́. So tó bá jẹ́ pé Mohbad ló ní ọmọ, ẹni yẹn náà sọ á ní òun ti béèrè lọ́wọ́ Wumi pé Wumi sọ pé òkè Mohbad ló lọ́mọ, ṣùgbọ́n ẹni tó jẹ́wọ́ fún ó ní ẹnu ọkọ náà ti máa gbọ́, ìwọ fúnra rẹ̀ ló máa fẹ́ ẹnu ara ẹ̀ sọ. It's on record, you were there when the man was saying it, but you did not dispute the man. The record is also there. I meet in the ẹjọ́.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Amiwa. Mommy Bironke, let's have you. Mommy Bironke, let's have you, ma. Thank you so much, Mommy Bironke. Please, there's only one thing. There's only one thing that I always say. Let's be respectful in the comment section. Let's be respectful in the comment section. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead, ma.
Yeah, hello, Ekason, everybody. Ekason, Baba, everybody on the panel. Ekason, Pelesa. Àti ń débi tá à ń lọ tán, ìwọ̀nba díẹ̀ náà ló kù. Ọlọ́run tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ náà, àwọn náà máa parí ẹ̀. So nǹkan kan ni mo kàn fẹ́ sọ fún yín sà. Ẹ mọ̀, ẹ̀yin náà ni ẹ̀yin ó yé yín ju bó ṣe yé gbogbo wa lọ. Ṣé àdẹ̀ sí ní situation ni tí a bá ń sọ fún yín pé bàbá ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Àwa kọ́ la wọ bàtà yẹn, ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ wọ bàtà yẹn, ilẹ̀ mọ̀ bí tó ti ń ta yín. But àwa kàn máa sọ pé pẹ̀lẹ́ ní but nǹkan kan ni mo kàn fẹ́ kó dá yín lójú pé àwọn èèyàn dúró tì yín, àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ wà lẹ́yìn yín. Ṣé ti yé yín? Ẹ má wo ọ̀tún, ẹ má wò sí. Ẹ fix ojú yín sójú kan sà. Ẹ má look to the left or look to the right. Kẹ́ mọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yín, kẹ́ mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn dúró tì yín, àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ń ṣe tì yín bí àṣà àwọn kan ti sọ̀rọ̀ síwájú mi, wọ́n ní èrò kọ́ lẹ́fẹ́, èèyàn lẹ́fẹ́. Ọlọ́run àti dé ilẹ̀ lérí náà, àti débẹ̀ tán, gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí, ẹ mọ̀, kí gbogbo ẹ bá lè ní bó ṣe yẹ kó rí náà ni gbogbo ẹ ṣe ń rí báyìí. So ẹ jọ bàbá, ẹ fọkàn yín sójú kan, ṣó ti yé, ẹ má jẹ́ kọ́kàn yín dààmú. Kò dẹ̀ ń ṣe gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tán bá sọ náà lẹ máa fèsì sí. Ṣé ti mọ̀ sà, olúkálukú á sọ tí wọ́n ní but ẹ̀yin gangan lọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kàn, ẹ̀yin gangan ni òpómúléró báwọn àwọn Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ. So yẹn kan mo kẹ́ mọ̀ lọ́kàn àyín pé people are with you, people are supporting you, people are behind you. Tẹ́ bá wẹ̀ yín ẹ rá àwọn èèyàn kan wà lẹ́yìn yín tán dẹ̀ ń sọ pé ẹ máa lọ. Òótọ́ ló dẹ̀ máa lékè rọ́. Gbogbo wa mọ̀ ètà mọ̀ òótọ́ yẹn ló máa lékè rọ́. Kò bá wàá jẹ́ ìlérí Olúwa ó ti lọ síbi tọ́lọ̀ ń fẹ́ kó tó fẹ́ wà. Wọ́n máa ní àlọ́ ẹ lọ sí ẹ̀yin ẹ ṣáà má wọrí spirit ẹ ti kúrò bẹ̀ bọ́dì nìkan ọ̀ntì ẹ̀yin náà dẹ̀ ti sọ àwọn nǹkan tó ń fẹ́ Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ gbogbo bẹ̀ ṣe sọ jẹ́ ti gbọ́ sa ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ sọ Olúwa túbọ̀ wà pẹ̀lú táwa náà bá wá síkò àwa yọjú sí yín ẹ ọ̀rá sà.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mommy Bironke. Ladies and gentlemen, in case of ladies and gentlemen, please the next person, please the next person that's going to talk, please let us consider our non-Yoruba speakers and those that do not understand Yoruba. Please let us vano in English. Thank you so much. I'm having difficulty in bringing people up, but as soon as I can, I'll bring people up. General Vengeance, over to you. Thank you so much, General Vengeance.
Thank you very much, Emperor Joseph Aloba. It is well with you. It is well with your soul. We love you. We love you. We love you. Emperor Joseph Aloba, God is with you. The armies, the gladiators are also with you. And God will never fail you. He has never failed
Àròyé TV rèé ẹ láìkì ẹ subscribe kẹ́ ẹ sì máa fọ́lọ́.
Òkè la wà téńté.